First-time baby feeding tips. Not every baby likes to be fed. They can eat without your help by themselves. And for those who don't, it can be a true struggle to find suitable ways of getting toddlers' food into their mouth. These babies need one-on-one teaching. The technique that most experts recommend is the so-called cooperative approach. Instead of topping them off at the neck, we should maneuver her head to an upright position and guide her spoon right up to her mouth, no matter how many times she turns away the food offered this way. Other way is to place the food within their reach, closer to them, and make it easier for them to pick it up without your help. You can also try allowing babies to explore foods that are easy, such as pieces of banana, pea shoots, green beans, baked sweet potato, or some avocado slices for starters. Baby usually quickly learns that they're in control and will sit at the table neatly spooning on their own without any assistance offered. If the child is starting to master self-feeding, baby will be eating more and grow stronger.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for further videos.